I was in the mood for something light and fresh, but with a flavor punch. So I made this Pico de Gallo salad and a chicken tortilla soup. You'd be surprised how quick and easy it is to make. I'll leave the ingredients and sorry about that, friends. I always get tongue-tied. I was saying I'll leave the ingredients and the instructions in the description box. Or you can check out another version of this tortilla soup on my channel, which is Danita Garza. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Take care.